I do not have this, I'm ending this channel right now. I've had enough. Welcome back to another episode of Surviving the Flood. We are outside, beautiful Massachusetts weather right now. We had to run some errands before our first cut. It's currently 1:30. We are on the way to buy a new tripod. This isn't mine. I'm borrowing it from my boy Kids with Fwang. Gonna return that to him, but we gotta buy our own because, you know, can't keep depending on others, you know, feel me? You gotta make it on your own. Little to-do list right here. First, buy a tripod. 2, some food, man. I'm really hungry. 3, we are going to cut hair. We have 3 haircuts today, y'all. All 3 of my boys, you know, I wanna get a little floody. I know it's down the list, but it's one of the most important. The barber, you gotta keep yourself physically able to
Got that good D. I got that good D.
work out, y'all. I gotta work out. Work out. We're doing legs today. I hate doing legs. I could skip. I'm not a little bit. But it is a grind, y'all. So gotta do what you gotta do. I'll head over to friends, drop off that tripod. And yeah, y'all gonna be with me the entire time. So come on, man. I got all day. Wang.
Hey, asshole.
Guess where it's early.
What? You broke it.
Did you just break your tripod?
You broke it. You literally
I literally
broke
handed it to you. Yo,
You
back up, man. Back up before I suck your dick.
I could kiss a nigga. That don't make me gay. I could fuck a nigga in his ass if I wanted to. That don't mean I'm gay.
Alright, y'all. We are now headed to Five Below to buy our own tripod because we just can't keep asking him to borrow his tripod. But yeah, that should be a 2-second trip. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Low key, we in a rush. Shit, it's snowing like crazy, yo. Oh, fuck. I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, y'all. There's one problem. They don't have one. What the fuck? I don't have time for this. We're gonna try to go to Target real quick, bro. My appointment's at 2:30. Hopefully we find one for cheap. No bullshit, y'all. There are long ass lines, so I don't know what to do. Alright, y'all. So they don't have a fucking tripod. They don't. Not for cheap. I'm not paying $50 for a tripod, so I'm pretty calm about it. Not really panicking. I wasn't angry at all. Alright, y'all. Back to what I was saying. I took a lot of L's this morning. I couldn't get no food. I'm hungry as shit. No tripod, bro. Gotta go back to the old setup. We played the Warriors in TD Garden.
No, we didn't.
Oh, y'all bet?
I said San Fran.
Okay, yeah, where's that? I knew we were.
Fuck!
Yeah, I was like, what are you talking about?
Dude, I've been winning bets against this guy.
I got you, game. Had to get my man's. What do you feel? First time, girl. Got you, game. My nigga! Oh, shit, what the? You better have sex with me? My shit greasy.
Let's go, man.
You're not getting it floody, buddy. Gotta get my man's floody. He a weekly customer right here. Camera, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the fucking camera.
I just want $10 off this nigga. Is he getting a haircut or no?
Nah, he's not.
This is a bitch.
Later today at the barbershop, yo. Right now, we're just trying to wait for my next client. We might film like 1 or 2 videos, but that should be it. And then we should be on to working out. Yes, Birmingham? You got a problem? You got a haircut? You think you're fucking on the world, huh? Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. You gotta do something, man?
Work.
Come on, man. Alright, man, you need a cut for media day?
Media day, you know never I do shit.
Yeah, I got you.
You gotta me right time.
Show the news.
Media day. Let me see the pose. Where's he gonna hit him? Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all. We're gonna cut him up real quick, and then we're gonna be done for the day. gonna be like crazy, like. Yo, gotta get him ready for media day, feel me, cuzzo?
No. Oh my god, what is that? No, you killed it, bro. Oh my god.
Damn, I never seen you react to this like this before.
Yo!
I gotta get you right, gang. You crazy? Oh.
I'll come up there, probably flash my guns around a little bit. I'll go, ooh, dude, my mom's gonna kill me.
Behind the scenes on the bottom?
Yeah, from the bottom. Yeah, why not? From the bottom.
Yeah, what's good?
Try to get this angle right here when you're trying to come in. So like we're looking at you and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so we made it to the Y.
Don't film this. It's gonna get.
No.
No, like, it'll get ugly. Like, I'm gonna fucking chop you. The video, like what happened last night.
Good. Oh! Boys!
We're getting a little hoop session in. All the boys gonna pull up right after we're gonna work out. Yeah, that's the day. Alright, y'all, hoop session is over. It was pretty decent. You know, all the homeboys pulled up. You know, I was getting a couple buckets. I wish I recorded no bull. But we are about to head into Crunch Fitness right here. Get a little leg workout. We're gonna run this through, go home, edit, and then call it a day. Simple as that. And then tomorrow, another day to get floody, y'all. But enjoy.
Chooky P.
How you feeling, gang?
I'm feeling my chest today.
Alright, y'all, we just finished our workout. Big Hooli gang. Big Hooli workout. Fuck you.
Whoa! Come on, man, stop.
Gotta go edit, grub. That's about it. I don't end up filming. No, it was a good day. Good day, y'all. Stay floaty. Alright, y'all. It was 2 days from the last time I filmed because yesterday was more of a rest day. It just started the day, y'all. That's about what?
We just filmed some content.
Need to buy that tripod, man. I'm gonna buy.
Nice.
Today we got some cuts today. Nothing too crazy. I'm still behind my editing. It's gonna work out. We gotta go buy that tripod. And yeah, that's about it. I got 2 cuts, you know. Some weeks gonna be slower than others. But as long as you still cut it, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. But y'all, stay tuned. No bullshit. I don't know what happened the other day. I hurt my shoulder to try out some methods. Ooh, shit. This is the last straw I'm having. Y'all know the journey to this fucking tripod. We're headed to Best Buy. If you do not have this, I'm ending this channel right now. I'm not stacking shoe boxes no more. I've had enough. I'm gonna head there. Hopefully they have it and start our cutting day. Y'all know how it is. But yeah, let's hope they have it. Alright, so we just need the price check and that's smooth, bro. That's it. But I can't find no price check, so. We got it! I'm gonna give myself a cut. For anyone asking, I use a 10 guard. Wanna keep it low. I just realized this is a shirt. This is my lucky shirt. So like, if y'all fry me in the comments about this hole, love y'all. And that is the cut. I'm gonna do the back later. I got a client coming soon, but just want to use some extra time to get a little floody, you feel me? But gotcha. Y'all see the time, man. 5:54 in the morning. About to head to Quincy, Massachusetts to link up with Andy from 12 Pel once again. About to bless us up with something real nice, bro. Shout out my man Andy from 12 Pel. I am so tired. But iron early. We gonna get this shit out the way.
Whack little
That shit was
What a gift, man. What a gift.
Yo, happy New Year's. Have fun with it.
Yes,
Appreciate it, Andy. We 6 in the morning.
6:39.
I'm
going back to bed.
Nah, you got that. I can hear in his voice. It's Happy New Year. Alright, y'all. We back at the crib. Now comes the difficult part and bring it to the basement. Woo! Alright, y'all. We got this shit down in the basement. Yo, this is beautiful. Y'all see that? That's a little head right there. Hold on. Lean back in. Lean back.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
This is great.
Pristine razor work.
Do me good.
This though got a shout out. Probably through a lot of haircuts, but this one we'll give him through a lifetime of cuts. Ugh. Alright, y'all, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Surviving the Flood. Stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Like the video. All the support is appreciated, but at the end of the day, this is a process and we gonna get there, bruh. But in the meantime, y'all, stay flooded!